Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How's it going? How's quarantine? I hope everyone's staying safe and keeping busy through this tough time. I know I am by making these videos. I'm having so much fun. Thanks for watching and supporting my channel. Make sure to like this video and subscribe and leave some comments down below if you have any video suggestions. I'm just still trying to get a really good setup going. I know I want to have like this wall behind me right here. I'm in the works of creating kind of like a gallery wall with some cool like prints and photos. And speaking of, I just got this print in. I found this artist on Etsy. I'll leave her name in the description. I believe it's like Jag Ink. But she does like these really cool prints. I don't know if you can see, but I love it. It's super cute. It says, "The mountains are calling and I must go." I just think it's a really nice quality. I think this, and it was like honestly like 20 bucks. I think it's really worth it. I love her. I love this. I have another print by her. So yeah, let's just get right into this video. Now today I'm going to be unboxing my FabFitFun box. Yay! I have never tried FabFitFun and I honestly have been super skeptical or just unsure about it. I don't know why. I see their ads everywhere. Like they're all over my Instagram, my Facebook. I feel like every influencer promotes these boxes. So I don't know. I guess I don't really like the whole like shove in your face marketing. I feel like they're trying to force me to buy it. But I mean, I guess it worked. I actually bought this right after watching Drag Race because they did a mini challenge using a FabFitFun box, and literally when I was watching I was like, oh my god, it's everywhere. That was when I like gave in and ordered it literally right after watching. So I'm super intrigued to see what's inside. I haven't opened it yet. I got it in the mail today and I'm really excited, so I just wanted to film this really quick because I want to open this so bad. I love subscription boxes. Like they are so fun and so entertaining. I just like being surprised by like the products that come inside, and I think it's just like a little treat to yourself. Let's open this box and jump right in. So is that Halsey? No, wait. So it looks like this. Oh, it's like a magazine. FabFitFun. Oh no, this girl's from, oh no, she's cute. She's, oh, it literally just says her name on the front. The girl from Jane the Virgin. Wow, okay. Anyways, yeah, so this is what it looks like inside. Oh wow, okay, there's like a lot in here. Ooh, okay. Ooh, I'm excited. Ooh. Okay, so the first thing I see is this little necklace right here. Really pretty gold Netflix. Oh my god, I've been inside way too long. It's this gold necklace, and this is super cute. I mean, ooh, yeah, should I put it on? Let's put it on right now. You know, why not? Did I do a transition? I don't know. It's super cute. You know, just like a little like layered necklace. I love that. Okay, so next thing that I keep on saying Netflix. Oh my god. Next thing that I see is this Luxe Chrome Detangling Brush. This is it. This is a really nice brush. It's like chrome. It feels nice. It feels like it's well made and not just like a cheap brush. But yeah, I can't complain. A nice little paddle brush. Love that. Next is an exfoliating foot mask. It smooths and softens. Intense hydration. This is what it looks like. Guys, I can already smell this. Okay, what does this smell like? It reminds me of this lotion that I used to use at like a tanning salon. Coconutty. I don't know. I'm really bad with like smells and like tastes, like identifying them. Ooh, use ideally at bedtime. Okay. I mean, I'll have to try this out. Next thing is this Moroccan Gold Series Intense Hair Care Leave-In Mask. Nice. Okay. Oh, this smells really nice. I don't want to say like musky, but this like is really nice. What is that supposed to do? Okay, so it conditions, nourishes, and locks in moisture. Reverses damage, dryness, and dullness. So you just spray on the damp hair, comb through, and style as desired. Nice, okay. We're getting to the end, I think. So next is this, ooh, Winky Lux Rainbow Balm. Ooh, this is fun. What the heck? It's so colorful. It's like, there's like 3 colors. There's like red, orange, and, ooh, oops. Oh my god, I literally had this all the way up and almost just like closed it. What is this supposed to do? Color enhancing pH balm. Rainbow lip and cheek balm. Interesting. So you can use it on the cheeks too. It's a universal flattering cherry pink shade. Can be used on lips and cheeks. I really hope this has been focused. Okay guys, I'm using the back of this brush as a mirror. Let's see. Okay, I can tell. Oh my god, it looks so intense on camera. But yeah, okay, that's cute though. I like that. Okay, next thing. I think we have 3 items left. Yeah, 3 items left. Okay, so the next is this musk, coconut, and shea butter nourishing hand cream. Ooh. I mean, it says musk, coconut, shea butter, so I'm assuming those are the scents. I'm gonna try this because I love a good hand cream. Especially like now, I feel like after applying so much hand sanitizer, my hands have been so freaking dry. So this is nice. Yeah, it's definitely musky. It's definitely musk more than coconut, but it's not like too intense. Okay, yeah, I like that. I mean, I feel like it could be better. You know, it could be more moisturizing. Should I just like put more on? Maybe I think I put too little on. I don't know. Let's see. Let's see. Just slap it on. Okay. I mean, it's not bad. It's definitely not greasy, which I like. I mean, if you have really dry skin, I feel like this wouldn't really do a lot. I don't know. I'm not like a huge fan. There's a bunch of like this stuff. Okay, next is, oh, I remember, so these are the last 2 things that I got to like pick out. Like a one size fits all cardigan. It's like lightweight. This is it. It has like short sleeves. It's like a nice gray color. As you can see, it's long. It reaches almost down to my knees. There's pockets, which is super nice. Okay, so this is the last thing that I got to pick out, and this is packing cubes. And I think there was like a few different like patterns to choose from, and I just chose these lemons and oranges kind of pattern because that's super cute. 3-piece set. So it comes with a small, medium, and large size, as you can see. So this is the big one. So it's mesh on the front, and they have 2 zippers. And then on the back of each one, there's a little compartment, which is also nice to, you know, store extra things. And then each of them has like a handle on top. So this is the large, and then the medium, and then the little baby small one. How cute. I mean, these would be super good for like traveling, especially to like organize things. Like you could put like your makeup or your hair products. Ooh, yeah, you could put like all your products in here to kind of like keep everything organized. I believe that is all the products that we got in the box. Okay, so 7 products. So I don't know what I was expecting, but there is a lot of beauty products, and I kind of wanted more lifestyle products. And I'm pretty sure, I know like you took a quiz and I said like neutral for everything. So maybe I will go back and try to retake the quiz and try to get more lifestyle products than makeup and like skincare products because I'm more interested to see what kind of products they would give me. Overall thoughts, I definitely will try another box again, and then depending on that, I don't know if I would be an every month subscriber or if I would want to get the box every month. To be honest, I don't know. My thoughts are kind of all over the place. It's kind of like a 50-50. That is it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please give a thumbs up if you enjoy unboxing like subscription boxes. I have a few lined up that I'm super excited to try out and make videos on, so yay! Thanks so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and leave a comment down below if you have tried FabFitFun and what are your thoughts on the subscription box. I would definitely like to know, and if you have any recommendations for subscription boxes, I would also like to know. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys!